Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32, and today I'll show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at the first we have to prepare the good source of light, like in my case, to see a very dust and a very mess on our screen. And next we have to open box with our tempered glass, and of course inside we can find the tempered glass and two wipes, wet and dry. We are going to use this one for the first, so let's open it. And right now just make gestures like that in the circle to clean your screen. And then you can switch to the dry one. As you can see right now, the screen looks much better. Just take a look on the screen if everything is fine. If you find some piece of the dust, you have to take it off like that. You can also use the duct tape or any kind of the stickers. But as you can see in my case, everything is fine and the screen is in really good condition. So right now we have to grab our protector and we have to take off this foil like that. And just take a look one more time on the screen. Right now few pieces of dust pops on the screen, so we have to remove it, because when we leave dust on the screen we will get the air bubbles under the tempered glass. Right now it looks cool, so we can apply it like that. Let's put the upper section, let's put the glass on the upper section of the screen and keep holding the bottom part. And right now we have to put our finger like that and then put also the bottom part on the screen. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically. We don't even have to do anything. We can just press right here and right here. And next we can use our dry wipe to make it look better. Okay, and right now we can turn on our screen, and as you can see right now everything is fine. The smartphone is working. There is no problem with touch interaction or the touch sensitivity. And as you can see, that's how we can easily input tempered glass on your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.